Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Wild Comics. So today I have a CGC box that I have no idea what's inside of this. So I sent in a pre-screen about 35 books or so in the past, and I'm just starting to get those in, so those videos will be coming up if they're not up already. But this one just kind of came in. It came in UPS, which I thought was kind of weird because normally all of my videos, when they come in, they actually come in through USPS because it's a little more shipping, but you can insure it a little bit better. So the only thing I can think of that's inside of this are my Clayton Crain books. Those when he did the road tour, and I want to say they dropped these off at the end of September. So I guess the only real way to figure it out is, I guess, to open it. So I want to say that's what it is. So we're gonna find out right now what these books are. So I'm super stoked. Anytime I get any sort of CGC unboxing, you guys know, if you guys got them, they're like Christmas. And if you haven't done CGC before, I highly encourage it, just because of the fact that they're so much fun to do. So there is 3 books, and I sent in 3 books to CGC. I'm gonna go ahead, got ourselves another fun rubber band. Let's see. Almost gotcha. So want to say, so they are signature series, and let me see if I can do white pages. Okay, so let's see. So I gotta be careful with these because I want to say in the signature series sometimes it grays on the back too. So let's see, like this. Pull it out. Okay, so here's the first book. So the first book, okay, so I have a story about this book. This book is killer. I got this in a back bin at my LCS here, A1 Comics. I got this book for $3 in the back bin just prior to him coming to do the in-house signing at Ken's Comics, which is also another LCS of mine. It's phenomenal. They sent it in. He did the red, white, and blue signature. I don't know if you guys can see it. You guys will see it over there as well when I set it up. And when they sent it in, I was pretty bummed because they didn't have any of the things set up for pressing and cleaning. So anytime I do an in-house signing or any sort of signing to where CGC's witness, whether it be at a con or whether it be at a comic shop or a stop, I always try to do the pressing option, so that way if it's mishandled in any way, in any imperfections, they can be pressed out. Didn't have it on this one. The other 2, I'm pretty solid they were 9/8. I'm really hoping this one's a 9/8, but I doubt it, just because I didn't have the pressing option, and I wish I did. So I'll let you guys take a look first. I'm assuming a 9/2 is kind of what it came back as. No way. No way, that's a 9/8. I knew that there were some dents in here. Hey, I'm not complaining. All right, cool. Yeah, that's phenomenal. I wasn't expecting that to come back a 9/8 whatsoever. So yeah, I'm pretty pretty shocked. It came back in a 9/8, and the signature is also the red, white, and blue, which matches the book itself. So that's super cool. I did that one. So here's the next one. It's actually Venom 27. Let's see, okay, so this was the one he had as an exclusive for his. I gotta make sure I don't see the back grade. For his actual tour like that. So I don't see the back grade, so I'm really stoked about this. And again, he did the red, white, and blue one. This was a completely custom one that he had. I don't want to look at this. Sorry guys, I'm jumping around, but the signature series have the grade on the back too, so I'm trying to look at that as well to give it away, because I want to be shocked as well. Red, white, and blue, super killer cover. Signed by Clayton Crain, Venom 192, first full appearance of Codex, virus appearance, and it's a virgin cover. So I'll let you guys take a look at the grade. I'm hoping that it's a 9/8 because I'm really stoked about this cover. Awesome. Super killer. Super killer. That is a phenomenal signature. It's kind of funny because when I showed up, I had a bunch of pins. And I gave him a bunch of pins, just kind of saying, hey, thank you for coming and doing the road trip with us and doing this, especially with all the cons shut down. And he made the effort to actually come out and make the effort to meet us, to greet us, and to give signature. So that was like really cool for him to do. So I'll set that over there. So I gave him a bunch of pins, and he was really cool, and he super ecstatic about it and everything else. And I know the signature pricing was really confusing for a lot of people, at least where I was at. but it all worked out, and so far I'm super stoked. So here's the next one that I got, Venom #1. So this one I actually bought online, and I bought it. It's actually the first appearance of Cadaverous. It's the death of Mary Jane Watson, and it's a Scorpion Comics exclusive. I bought this online, CGC 98. I want to say I bought it for $80. It was already slabbed, so I had to crack that case to go ahead and have him sign it, and then resubmit it so I get the yellow label. Again, I didn't have the pressing option, so I'm really hoping that these come back a 9.8. Let you guys take a look at the grade. Oh my gosh, so killer. Yes, I was really worried about this one not coming back a 9.8. So that is super stoked that all three of these books came back a 9.8. I mean, I cannot ask for anything better than that. That is killer. And his signature, I mean, this book alone, I love this book. So, and I want to say this is a super exclusive. So, but yeah, that's all my books. Again, Clayton Crain, if you watch this video, thank you very much for making that trip. I think a lot of people appreciate it. A lot of people were stoked that you came out and did that. And I'm ecstatic that these books all came back at 9.8. And I'm actually, again, I'm actually shocked that this one came back at 9.8, because I was really concerned, but I'm super happy that it did. So those are going to be the 3 books that I submitted at the Clayton Crain signing. But I have more books, you guys, coming in. I have mystery boxes coming in. I just bought a Spider-Man Superior box, so hopefully that comes in relatively soon. I know they're not shipping till the 26th of October, so that may be closer to the beginning of November. I'm really super stoked about that one, and I still have my 25 screen coming back from CGC. So hopefully I get that beginning of next week. I can share that with you guys. And I'm just about done with my CGC or my slab storage container, so I'm gonna make a video and show that to you guys as well. But until then, you know, I want you guys to subscribe to the channel. I want you guys to like this video. I want you to definitely leave a comment to let me know what you think about some of these books. So these books are super killer. And just hit the notification bell so you guys can see all my content when it drops. But until then, thank you guys very much. Keep it fun, keep it wild, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy.